Hello and welcome to our channel where we explore various topics related to technology. In this video, we'll be discussing the biggest advantages and disadvantages of Web 3.0. The term Web 3.0 is used to describe the latest generation of technology that powers the World Wide Web. Unlike the previous two generations, Web 3.0 is not a single standard or approach, but rather a collection of emerging trends and technologies. One of the key components of Web 3.0 is the semantic web, which was first proposed by Tim Berners-Lee, the inventor of the World Wide Web, in 1989. The semantic web enables relationships to be built and managed between data on web pages, making it easier for machines to understand and interpret information. Another defining feature of Web 3.0 is the concept of a decentralized web where interactions are not managed by a central authority. This approach relies on distributed ledger technology and blockchain technology to ensure trust and security in web interactions. Web 3.0 also incorporates other blockchain-based technologies such as cryptocurrency, decentralized applications (dApps), and non-fungible tokens. Additionally, the use of artificial intelligence (AI) is becoming more prevalent in web operations, further expanding the capabilities of Web 3.0. While Web 3.0 doesn't have a formal technical specification, it's typically characterized by several key features. One of the most important is a decentralized network that allows users to have greater control over their data and online activities. Unlike the centralized systems of Web 2.0, a decentralized approach means that no single authority governs what can or can't happen, putting user data and freedom of choice at the forefront. This decentralized approach is built on a blockchain foundation, which uses a distributed ledger of transactions and activities that are cryptographically secured. This makes it almost impossible to hack, ensuring that transactions and activities are more secure than ever before. Another defining characteristic of Web 3.0 is its use of cryptocurrency as the preferred currency for conducting transactions for goods and services. This is a significant departure from Web 2.0, where most e-commerce is conducted using government-backed currency. Web 3.0 is also characterized by smart contract services, such as decentralized finance and dApps that are enabled by smart contracts. These services are governed by policies defined in software code, providing greater transparency and control. Speaking of transparency, the mechanics of transactions on a blockchain allow for greater transparency. The rules defining how certain transactions occur are specified in smart contracts that are agreed to by members, ensuring that everyone is on the same page. Web 3.0 also offers users more control over their data, which is typically secured on the blockchain with both private key and public key cryptography. This ensures that users have greater control over who can access their data and what can be done with it. Increasingly, AI and machine learning are being built into the fabric of the web to make it more responsive and better able to anticipate and predict the needs and intentions of users. This kind of embedded intelligence is considered another defining characteristic of the emerging Web 3.0 landscape. Web 3.0 technology is being intermingled with elements of the metaverse, a virtual space built on 3D graphics that is also seen as a key feature of the next generation web. The metaverse and Web 3.0 have much in common, and their evolution goes hand in hand. Web 3.0 has the potential to revolutionize the way we use the internet. While there are some potential drawbacks, there are also many advantages to the new decentralized web. Firstly, Web 3.0 offers users greater control over their online identity and data. In a decentralized model, users have less risk of being locked into a particular platform or service. This means they can choose which services they use and how their data is used. Secondly, Web 3.0 offers greater transparency. Users can see how transactions occur and how decisions are made. This increased transparency can help build trust between users and service providers. Thirdly, Web 3.0 has improved resilience for application delivery. This is because decentralized networks networks are not reliant on a single central authority. In the event of a failure, the network can still continue to operate. Fourthly, Web 3.0 offers more personalization and customization. This means users can tailor their online experience to their preferences. Fifthly, Web 3.0 can embed artificial intelligence and machine learning into the web, making it smarter and more responsive to users. This predictive intelligence can anticipate and predict the needs and intentions of users. Sixthly, Web 3.0 offers greater privacy. Decentralization means that users have greater control over their personal data and are less exposed to privacy risks. Finally, Web 3.0 enables decentralized finance. Users can conduct transactions, buy and sell products and services, and secure loans without the need for approval from a central authority. This means that more people can access financial services and products, particularly those who may have been excluded from the traditional financial system. Overall, Web 3.0 has the potential to bring many benefits to individuals and businesses. While there are some potential challenges to be addressed, the advantages of a decentralized web are clear. While Web 3.0 presents many potential benefits, there are also significant drawbacks to this emerging technology that users and businesses should be aware of. Here are some of the potential disadvantages of Web 3.0. Complexity. Web 3.0 is built on blockchain, smart contracts, and decentralized networks, which can make it challenging for the average user to understand and navigate. This complexity can lead to frustration and deter adoption. Security. The decentralized nature of Web 3.0 can also make it more difficult to keep activities secure. Cybersecurity risks are a growing concern with blockchain applications and cryptocurrency exchanges, and individual users may not have the expertise to keep their data safe. Regulatory concerns. The lack of a central authority in Web 3.0 makes it challenging to regulate, which can lead to concerns around compliance and legal liability. Technology requirements. The resource-intensive nature of blockchains and distributed applications means that Web 3.0 may not run well on older hardware, requiring users to upgrade their technology to participate fully. Lack of interoperability. While Web 2.0 applications are largely centralized, Web 3.0 is decentralized, which means users may need to continue using both versions of the web to access all the applications they need. This lack of interoperability can create frustration and slow adoption. Overall, while Web 3.0 presents many exciting possibilities, it also comes with risks and challenges that need to be carefully considered. By understanding both the advantages and disadvantages of this emerging technology, users and businesses can make informed decisions about how to best navigate this new digital landscape. Join us as we delve deeper into the exciting world of Web 3.0 and explore how it is revolutionizing the World Wide Web. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on the latest trends and developments in Web 3.0 technology.